Intense rains in southern Africa have left a trail of destruction in several countries. Tropical storm Anna made landfall in Madagascar on Monday. At least 48 people have been killed by flooding that affected an estimated 130,000 people. Many were left to rummage through the rubble, looking for possessions to salvage. I'm very sad, because we work like crazy to get money, and now the house is destroyed. How can we not be sad? We are disaster victims and we receive no help, no support measures. There's nothing. The Disasters Management Office announced that about 20,000 people had already started to return home as the waters began to recede. For the past 3 days, the weather has improved. It is sunny. The water has gone down in several areas. That's why we decided to bring the disaster victims back home to the stadium. We spoke with them and they agreed to leave. After Madagascar, Storm Anna advanced to Mozambique and Malawi, causing extensive damage in both countries. At least 38 people are known to have died.